Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we thought we'd do a bit of an experiment. We are going to try and make a healthier version of the Durban style Bunny Chow.
And we're going to do this or attempt to do this by just substituting a few ingredients. And then at the end we're going to compare both and see if there's actually a big difference and if it's worth it making a healthy
If it's
version.
actually worth making a healthy Bunny Chow.
Or a regular Bunny.
Yeah. Alright, cool. What are we doing first?
So first, put the flame on while we chop some onion, which is the first thing that goes into the pot.
Yeah, we also did a little bit of prep work.
So I pre-boiled the potatoes just to speed up the cooking time. Also placed my tomatoes in hot water to help peel the skin off so that we can chop it up. And I have, pre-chopped a calabash. That's quite fun. So yeah, that's the prep work that we've done. So we're adding 1 onion each. So chop it up finely.
Okay, but hold on. Our eyes are all gonna get...
Mine won't. I have contact lenses in.
I saw a trick on TikTok that if you put a spoon in your mouth, it doesn't make your eyes water, so it's worth trying to see.
Yeah, cut it in half and in segments, and then as fine as you can chop it.
Oh no, it's working.
Are your eyes watering?
A little.
A little bit. Sounds water. Okay.
It's starting to water. How's that? It's starting to water now. But I must say, it wasn't as bad.
As,
like, for cutting a whole onion,
you did very
I got through most of it. You can try it at home and see if it works.
So you're making the unhealthy version and I'm making the healthier version. So we've also pre-marinated the meat with a bit of yogurt. You are going to be using canola oil in your version.
Okay.
So you can add just about 2 tablespoons in that pot.
Oh my.
You can just eyeball it.
But we want to
be accurate.
Because
I'll hold the spoon for you.
We're going to do some maths at the end just to work out differences.
There we go. That's a tablespoon. 1 more. There we go. 2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons of canola oil, vegetable oil.
I'm not going to be using any oil. I'm going to add my meat in and I'm going to saute the onions using the juices from the meat.
Oh, okay, clever. So that's how we're saving on the oil.
Yes.
On the healthy one. Alright, cool.
So you can add your onions in.
Oh, that's a beautiful sound.
So we can just let that saute down. So your onion is going to saute and then I'm going to add my meat in. Just want to check the temperature. Perfect.
Okay, so the meat's browning, my onions are sautéing. What are we doing next?
As soon as the meat has released some juices, I'm going to add my onions in and then we'll add the spices. Yep, let me check what's going. Can you see all the juices and the oils that it's releasing?
Okay, cool. Okay, so your meat is the leaner
pack of lamb knuckles that we found.
Okay, and then that one is the...
It had a slightly little...
I guess more fat.
Here, but not a lot.
Cool.
Just going to add the onion in. So our onions are ready. We're going to add the spices in now. Add 1.5 teaspoons of that because it is a spicy masala. That is Ramarosi sting. A flat teaspoon of the turmeric. And this is your special Kashmiri mix. You can add about 4 teaspoons. And then you're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of each of these. Biryani powder, coriander powder, and garam masala. 1/2 teaspoon of your ilachi powder. And this, I would say, just add 2 teaspoons. And I can eyeball it for you. Give that a bit of a stir. You can add 1 bacon, 2 cinnamon sticks, and 2 star anise. And then you need to add your meat in to provide some liquid.
Yeah, it's looking a bit dry. Oh, and it's adding a nice color to the meat. This is the first time I'm cooking a lamb curry.
It is. So I'm just going to add my spices in now.
Yeah, I also want to add that, guys, this is completely experimental. We never tried to make a healthy Bunny Chow before, so this is our first time trying this out. So hopefully
it'll be good.
It turns out good.
It's looking dry now, but once we add our tomatoes, it'll be perfect.
We'll get more liquidy. Okay, so we just turn the heat down a little bit there.
So I pre-soaked the tomatoes, and as you can see, the peel comes off quite easily.
So what are we doing? We're just going to chop these suckers up.
Yes, 5 in each pot.
Cool.
Since the curry is for Bunny Chow, I'm using a little bit extra tomato to give it that gravy.
Yeah, we got to make sure we get a decent gravy. Otherwise, everyone's going to come for us in the comments and say we made a dry Bunny Chow. Get all that tomato in.
My turn. Oops.
Stir it around a little bit. Oh, mine's looking beautiful. I'm just going to go into the rest of my tomatoes.
Yours is looking beautiful. Mine also. The next ingredient that we need to add in is some ginger and garlic paste.
Okay.
So I'm going to add about 3 teaspoons.
Yes, this is hard work, man.
So I'm going to be adding some curry leaf in. How beautiful are these? They're from a garden.
Oh,
So I'm just going to add a little bit of tomato paste as well, just to give us a bit of a thicker gravy. About 3 teaspoons.
okay, so while Trey's doing that, I'm going to just quickly weigh calabash versus the potatoes. These are 3 whole potatoes. And just for a bit of maths at the end so we can just see calories, that kind of thing. Putting calabash in now into your...
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just drop it in. There you go.
I am going to add a little bit of food coloring into the curry. Since we're making it a bunny chow, I want to have the aesthetics there as well. just a tiny pinch, not a lot.
I don't know about you, but mine is looking amazing.
Mine also
Yours does look good. I think when your calabash cooks.
it's gonna look like potato, and it's gonna melt and just yum. So you can also add cabbage in this, or peas or carrots.
As a substitute.
Or cauliflower as well as a substitute. It tastes really good. I think we need to add some salt in. I'm just going to decant some into a bowl.
Oh wait, hold on.
Now you can add your pink salt.
I'm gonna go for Himalayan salt, just cause. Oh wait, hold on. We need salt,
That's fine.
cause you are the healthier version. Mine is the.
Okay. So I can't tell you how much salt you...
Trey is really bad at salt. Adding salt to things. Okay, so how much salt are we putting?
So I'm just gonna... I can't tell you. I just normally...
Okay,
eyeball it.
I'll follow your lead. You go.
Okay. I'm worried. Another pinch.
One more of those.
Yeah.
Look, we can always taste it.
Another one.
Another one.
Yeah. And another one. Let's go then. We can taste it in a bit and see. Before we close the pot, I just want to add some chopped coriander as well.
Just for aesthetic purposes, and then wipe this pot a little bit.
Yeah, you have to wipe as you go.
We're trying to do a professional cooking show here, guys.
Those are going to simmer for about maybe half an hour, 40 minutes until the lamb is soft, and we're good to go.
We have time for a coffee and snack.
Yes, definitely, yeah. So I've checked on the curries. Both are looking great, simmering away. While that's going, I'm going to make a simple carrot salad. Do you know what I didn't buy? Radish.
Yeah, that would make it authentic.
Authentic.
Authentic. Are we putting any chili in the salad? I think if we are being true to the Durban style version, we're going to have to put some chili in the salad also.
Okay.
2 is enough?
No, like a half.
Half a chili.
Yes, those are super spicy. You won't eat the salad, I promise you.
Yeah, my heat tolerance is not as high as it used to be.
I think in our household, Troy's heat tolerance is the highest.
Yeah, Troy eats the most spiciest food out of all of us. I think what we're going to do is we're going to split the 2 salads. One is going to be mixing the salad the traditional Durban style, and the other will be trying to do it with some lower calorie salad dressing, the healthier version.
Do you want to have a go at grating?
Yeah, it would be great. Well, it always freaks me out when we get to the end. See what I mean?
We don't grate any body parts.
Okay, I'm just going to eat the last bit. Okay, so Trey's just giving the curry a little stir quickly.
This looks good.
It looks amazing.
I think mine is better than yours.
I guess we're going to find out. So we've got our raw salad ingredients. Trey, you're doing the healthier version.
I'm going to do.
And then I'm doing the Durban style version.
Reduced oil, citrus, and honey dressing.
Yeah. I'm going to grab some into mine.
A little bit more.
More.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep, that's fine. With vinegar.
That's vinegar.
We're going to add just a pinch of sugar.
Oh, this is normal sugar.
Yeah, normal sugar. I think that's fine.
Normal table salt.
Not a lot, just a wee bit.
Too much. Yeah, that looks pretty authentic, I'd say.
Okay, so I'm just going to add a little bit.
25 calories per serving. Pinch of Himalayan pink salt.
You wanted the chili and you wanted to add 2. I added in not even half a chili.
The chili is hot. Wow. Okay, cool. Yeah, that's perfect.
The salad's done.
Salad's prepped. What's next? Oh yeah, we haven't added potatoes to mine yet because they were pre-boiled.
Ooh, look at that. You see, yours looks a bit more darker than mine now.
Yeah, it's weird that the colors are changing.
You need to take a little piece of meat and test it for salt and for tenderness. I think mine needs a little bit more salt.
Mine's perfect. It doesn't need more salt. Do it. So I'm just going to add the potatoes in, guys, into the curry, and let those, I guess, potatoes soak up all that flavor.
And we're ready to plate up.
And we're ready to plate up. So Trey's going to do a quick check on the curries. Let's see what those are looking like.
So this is your
Durban style, authentic Durban style. Ooh, that looks amazing. That looks amazing. It also looks amazing. Like, I wouldn't be able to tell the difference if these were in front of me. Cool, so curries are ready. So what we're going to do for bread, for the authentic Durban style, we have to get a unsliced loaf of white bread. And then Trey's going to do
sourdough.
Sunbaked sourdough bread. Unfortunately, this was pre-sliced, so we're going to have to do a little bit of
improvisation
to make a bunny chow out of this bread. Okay, cool. So the reason why we chose sourdough, there are some lower calorie options we could have gone with, is because sourdough is actually very good for gut health. Satiety means it makes you feel fuller for longer. Lower glycemic index, so it doesn't raise your blood sugar immediately. It's also very nutrient dense, so it's definitely a healthier option than just a plain old loaf of white bread. But it does smell so good. I think a typical quarter is probably about there, which is actually more like a, I don't know, it's more like a 1/3. So I think this looks fair. This looks like it's a Durban style bunny chow size. You just cut it like into the
middle.
Thing, yeah, far down as you can go. Oh, I think I did a pretty good job there. Okay, so this guy's ready.
I think maybe about 6.
That was pretty good. That's on the money. The bottom 2 as the base.
I think so.
Okay, put that there. And let's try and cut this guy up. This is actually a bit harder than I thought it was going to be. Here we go. Hey, if we're being healthier, we should go with less bread. 1 less. What do you say?
Yeah, let's check out a slice, I think.
Let's go 1 less since we're trying to be a bit healthier. Topper. Start plating. And let's just see if we need more gravy. We'll grab more gravy from the pot. The trick is to then get the gravy onto the edges. I think we need more gravy.
We need more gravy.
I'm just going to place that there. Just do mine right off. Chili in there. There we go. Final little touch is a sprig of
coriander
to make it all pretty. Put it there. What do you think? Pulling off the front here. And
There we go.
there we go, guys. Durban style bunny chow versus healthy-ish bunny chow. We'll have to do some maths just now just to see what the differences are. Okay, the moment of truth.
Yeah.
Look who's joined us. We're going to do a bit of a taste test.
Yes.
Durban style versus healthy-ish bunny chow. Which one are we starting with? Okay.
Healthy one.
No, actually, we should start with the authentic one.
Oh, this looks so good. That's yummy. The bread.
Oh, it's really nice.
The bread is so
Soft.
good. Okay, everyone's got a bite?
No.
Yes.
This is the Durban style. Oops, Troy.
Sorry.
Cheers.
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 That is delicious.
The lamb knuckles are so soft and tasty. It is spicy though.
It's really nice though.
It's spicy, but it's very, very tasty. It's very close to authentic Durban style bunny chow.
I mean, that is what you were aiming for.
That's what we were trying for. All right, let's grab a bite of the
Healthy one.
healthy one. The spice is catching me
I think I'm
at the back of my throat.
Don't forget a piece of the calabash.
Yeah, I'm gonna try a piece of the calabash.
Let's go.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Wow.
It is very similar.
Based on looks, I'll go for this one. Based on taste, I go for this one.
I gotta say that tastes very, very nice. It doesn't taste as spicy as
This one.
this version, but I really can't tell the difference in terms of the flavor profile. It tastes like a bunny chow.
And how's the calabash as a substitute to the potato?
Yeah, I need to have another bite just to be sure. That's the messiest bite I've ever seen.
Troy doesn't like to eat with his hands, so
That just confirms that it's equally as tasty, just
Yeah.
much, I guess, milder than this version, and we
Yeah.
used exactly the same ingredients. I'd be happy with trying both of these.
yeah,
Yeah.
me too.
Yeah.
Me too.
I think if I was trying to be a little bit more health conscious,
This one.
that would suit me equally. The texture of that sourdough bread is very close to the texture of the white bread. There isn't a massive difference from the two. So I guess the verdict is, if you really want to have a Durban style bunny chow, you should just go for the Durban
All
style
out.
bunny chow. It's not going to make that big a difference. But it was a fun experiment anyway, hey. So yeah, I mean, if you just want to make some healthier choices, you can go down this route. But if you just want to treat yourself, go for the Durban style bunny chow.
So guys, let us know in the comments if you've got a healthier version or if we could have done anything differently. Yeah, it would be great to hear from you.
Yeah, or which one you would have chose. And be nice in the comments and don't roast us for our bunny making skills.
Yeah, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more food and travel content.
Yeah, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
I think you need to come and give this a go.
Okay.
Too much butter.
That was meant to happen, guys. This is Jamie Oliver.
Yes, it's because you.
Ah, there.
Yeah,
No,
it's because you. Give me.
no. I'll quarter the bit of the star. Yes.
Oh, sorry.